coming up, Olympic Games coming up, the 100, the 200 women, you know, two of the marquee events. You know, what's your pick? What's your say?
It's very difficult to make a pick right now because I think it's wide open. But of course, as long as the Americans don't win, I'm cool with that. You know, but I think Kishane, where everybody's open, I think Zharnel has got a very good chance. You know, I've just been with him and he seems to be in good shape. But of course, you know, sometimes you have to go for the old favourite Shelly Ann because everybody loves Shelly. You know, but it's wide open. It's one of many people that can win it this time around.
And what's your deep feeling?
It's difficult to have a deep feeling, you know, because I think, you know, when Usain was here, you knew who was going to win. But this time, it's the person who wants it the most that's going to win, because everybody now is trying to be number one. And so, whoever wins, you know, will claim that. But, I mean, Noah's been doing a lot of talking, and he's more confident than everybody else. But, you know, we're hoping that, you know, Jamaica can still keep that tradition, otherwise move over to GB and, you know, with Zharnel. We've got to support Zharnel because I think I've been with him for the last 10 days and he seems to be in pretty good shape.
Thank you so much.